Now, what you need to do is open the web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Chrome, but it doesn't matter which one you use. Next, what we can do is type Aether mod Minecraft like this, and then we can see it appear at the top on CurseForge. CurseForge is a website where you can find different mods for Minecraft, so you can scroll down to the description and learn more about it. But to get it, what we need to do is come up here to the top and click on Files. Now, you need to scroll down here and we can see different files available. The main thing to note is the game version and the mod loader. In this case, we're going to use the Fabric mod loader. So here it is. And what we can do next is go to the right, click on the three dots, then click on Download File. Just make a note of the game version, because we'll need it in a moment. Once the download is complete, open a new tab, and what you need to do is type Fabric Minecraft like this. Then we can go to the Fabric website. Fabric is the mod loader. We can click on Download at the top, then click on Download for Windows. If you're using a Mac, you can download the universal jar file. Next, what we can do is click on Fabric API like this, then click on Files at the top here, and then we can scroll down and make sure to get it for the correct version. So you need to filter it for version 1.21.1 like this. Then I can see this one right at the top here. I'm going to click on the three dots on the right and press Download File. We have now downloaded what we need. Now open your File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder on the left. Find the Fabric installer and double click on it like this. Next, you can choose the version. We need it for version 1.21.1, then we can click on Install like this, which is now done. We can close it. Now, what we need to do is open the Minecraft launcher, so I'll do that right now. We can close this here, then go to the top and click on Installation. Scroll down and you need to find the Fabric version that we installed, which is this one, 121.1. We can click on the folder icon on the right. Then we can scroll down here and find the mods folder, and what you need to do is drag the Aether mod as well as the Fabric API inside like this. We can then close this window, go back to the launcher, hover over the Fabric loader, and then click play on the right. Keep in mind that you are playing a modified version of Minecraft. I got this window that popped up about needing this library here, so what I can do is click download and install, and it will do it automatically for us. We can then click play and it will launch. Be patient. What we can do next is click on solo, and then I'm going to create a new world and I'm going to show it to you quickly. To access the Aether, we need to create the portal. For this, you need glowstone, 4 blocks at the base, then stack 4 more towards the top like this, and do the same on the other side. Next, you can connect everything with a bucket of water. Right click and we've created the portal. Step inside and you'll be transported to the Aether. As you can see, we're here.